This is the Brita XL water dispenser that you can get on Amazon. We have really enjoyed it since having it in our house. It just stays in the top shelf of our fridge, so the water is always cold, but it's super easy to use, filters the water really quickly. There's a filter in the back, which you can see right here in the body, and then this reservoir up top holds 9 cups at a time, so you just put water in there up to max fill, and then it goes through as it's filtering, and then the body itself can hold 18 cups of water. So it's really nice, and then just super easy to refill our cups or water bottles throughout the day. And since it fits in a fridge, it's always cold.